Go, but not a whole lot of them. So, Leaf Valiant. The last 5 boxes in case number 1. Gonna start with the redemption. First one is a rising stock of Taylor Lewin. Rising stock, Taylor Lewin. No, we got the second Taylor Lewin. I forgot which team I went to. Got a Coney Ely. Coney Ely. That one is not numbered. And we've got a Dante Moncrief. Dante Moncrief. That one is number 299. And then we've got a in the spotlight of Kadeem Carey. Kadeem Carey. In the spotlight. That one number 215. Good hit there. Kadeem Carey, number 3 of 15. In the spotlight. Number 15. Box number 2. Box 2. Got a Taj Boyd. I know that's a New York Jet. Taj Boyd in the spotlight. That one is not numbered. Got a Damian Williams, lightning fast. Damian Williams, lightning fast. That one numbered is not numbered. I think this one's a Kansas City Chief. D'Anthony Thomas. I think he's a Chief. D'Anthony Thomas. That one number 299 and Odell Beckham Jr. Odell Beckham Jr. Odell Beckham Jr. That one number 225. Odell Beckham Jr. 25. Box number 3. Box 3. Got a Connor Shaw. Quarterback Connor Shaw. Connor Shaw. That one is numbered to 99. I know this one's a Patriot Jimmy Carpolo. Jimmy Carpolo. New England Patriot. That one is not numbered. Got a Aaron Donald in the spotlight. Aaron Donald in the spotlight. That one is not numbered. Then we got the number 1 overall draft pick, die cut, Jadeveon Clowney. Mr. Clowney, number 1 overall draft pick. That one is not numbered. The Honor Guard die cut. Box number 4. Got a rising stock die cut, Bruce Ellington. Bruce Ellington, rising stock die cut. That one is not numbered. We got our second Odell Beckham in the spotlight. Odell Beckham in the spotlight. That one is not numbered. Then we've got a Zach Martin. Zach Martin. That one, number 299. And we got a lightning fast, another Jadeveon Clowney. Back to back. Lightning fast for the Texans. Mr. Clowney, that one not numbered either. So 2 Clowney inserts. Box number 5. Then we'll call it a night. Get this stuff onto YouTube and see you guys on Sunday. Box number 5. Got a lightning fast of Tyler Gaffney. Tyler Gaffney, lightning fast. That one not numbered. Got a die cut of Jimmy Carpolo, the Patriots. Honor Guard die cut, Jimmy Carpolo. That one is numbered to 50. Got a Kadeem Carey in the spotlight. Got a bunch of duplicates tonight. Wow. Kadeem Carey in the spotlight. That one not numbered. And we've got a Honor Guard printing plate of Chiefs DeAnthony Thomas. Chiefs DeAnthony Thomas. Printing plate autograph. That is the 1/1 black printing plate. DeAnthony Thomas. Good hit for the Chiefs. The Chiefs with 2 DeAnthony Thomas autos tonight. For your Kansas City Chiefs. So that'll finish our Valiant football tonight. So